With fall upon us, you'll probably be baking a lot more. So lifestyle expert Stephanie Rance is here with a sweet secret. Hey, Stephanie.
Hi, Cindy. Well, when we think of fall, rich golden hues come to mind. A beautiful fall path layered with auburn leaves, rich hot cider for cozy nights, and even our home decor transforms as the seasons change. And now there's one more area that can receive the touch of fall, our kitchens. As you break out your family recipes of delicious fall favorites, add a special touch with Domino golden sugar.
Sounds delicious. So how does this type of sugar measure up?
Great question. So this sugar can be used as a less processed alternative, performing the same as white sugar cup for cup into your favorite recipes. And since Domino golden sugar is less processed, it retains a hint of molasses, giving a warm golden color. Domino golden sugar is a pantry staple and is no stranger to the mixing bowl. It dissolves just like white sugar without compromising taste or performance. And pouring, scooping, or spooning it is easy with its free-flowing texture. So store it in canisters or bags for optimal use to have on hand for baking on a whim. I like to use clear containers so I can easily find what I'm looking for, and I know when I need to get more.
Good ideas. And I see that you made a few treats today.
I sure did. Let's take a closer look at these chocolate chunk cookies I have here. So your loved ones and you will really enjoy baking these. You can even fill goodie bags tied with ribbon to give to friends and teachers. See, baked goods with little details like this sure do make the season fun and memorable. Plus, cookies store exceptionally well in the freezer, which means you can get a head start on fall baking. They also taste delicious dipped into pumpkin spice coffee. From pies to sweetbreads to dipped treats for the holidays, you can't make fall sweet without sugar. So opting for a less processed option will make your recipes taste just the way you remember and that much better. Domino golden sugar is also non-GMO project verified, kosher certified, and gluten-free.
Well, you have me hooked. Where can we find the sugar and the recipe to these glorious cookies?
So you can find Domino golden sugar on Amazon, and for this chocolate chunk cookie recipe and other inspiring seasonal treats, visit dominogoldensugar.com.
Don't mind if we do. Thanks for joining us.
Happy baking!
Daytime will be right back.